Hey kids, today we are drawing your favorite train, Thomas, and trust me, it is so easy. All we need is a black marker. Let's get started. First of all, I will draw Thomas's bottom. Repeat after me. It's simple. The cabin, engine, and wheels are all installed on Thomas's main part. That is why it is extremely important. Now let's draw a face to our train. It will look just like an oval. Then we draw his eyes, nose, and mouth. You see, Thomas is smiling to us. And of course, Thomas has got eyebrows. So, how do you think Thomas can ride without its wheels? I will draw 3 wheels and 1 more from the other side. Now we are drawing the engine. And this is a cabin which is designed for the train driver. And let's not forget to draw a small window on the cabin. Every train has a pipe. Of course, Thomas has got it too. Let's draw it. 1 more line. Keep drawing. Thomas is the #1 engine, you know that, right? So let's put this number on him, #1. Now, to bring our train to life, we are gonna paint it into various colors. So, basic color of Thomas is blue. We will paint him in blue, and then to make it more bright, we will add some dark blue color. Then I'm gonna add a red color to our train. Don't stop. And Thomas's face has always been silver, right? So let's do it on this picture too. Silver face. The pipe, roof, and engine are the black color. So what, kids? Was it easy for you? I'm sure it was. Learn to draw with us. It's so interesting and so easy. I wish you good luck, kids. Goodbye. Oh, almost forgot. Send us your drawings and we will show them in our next videos.
Please subscribe.